आपको इंग्लिश आती है? समझ आ जाती है? माइंड बोलते टाइम ब्लैंक हो जाता है? सेम प्रॉब्लम है मेरे साथ, सीरियसली. दैट्स वाई आई वॉन्ट टू प्रैक्टिस एवरी सिंगल डे, and that's why I learned some phrases, so it helps me to in my daily conversation, and it's really help a lot. So don't worry if it's happened with you, then really don't worry, because I want to share these 10 phrases with you and you can use easily. I want to practice every single day. So that's why I started this channel. So my dear friend, you all guys are know about me. Okay. My name is Anu Jagtap. I am from Madhya Pradesh and I am beginner in English. So I make a video in daily basis. Okay. And I want to share with you because I want to know about my level, that how it's increase or not. If I am wrong, so you just correct me. You are feel free. Okay. सो आज मैं आपके साथ वही 10 फ्रेजेस शेयर करूँगी जिससे मैं अपने डेली कन्वर्जेशन में यूज़ करती हूँ और मुझे इससे हेल्प मिलती है. अदरवाइज़ हम एज एन इंग्लिश सीख ही नहीं सकते विदाउट फ्रेजेस, विदाउट ग्रामर, बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉट आवर मदर टंग, राइट? सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू लर्न दीज फ्रेजेस एंड इट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल, रियली. सो मैं जो भी सेंटेंस बोलूँ आप उसको प्लीज़ रिपीट कीजिएगा एंड यू विल हैव टू डू इट. ओके. सो माय फर्स्ट फ्रेज इज गिव मी अ मोमेंट. इट मीन्स मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम दो. गिव मी अ मोमेंट. लेट्स ट्राई सेंटेंस, ओके, with these phrases. Give me a moment, I will call you back. Give me a moment, I will call you back. That sounds good. It means ये अच्छा लग रहा है. For example, let's meet at 6 p.m. That sounds good. I am not sure about that. It means मुझे पक्का पता नहीं है. Example, I am not sure about it. So let me check. Let me think. Let me think. It means मुझे थोड़ा सोचने दो. Okay. Let me think. I will tell you. It depends. It means ये सिचुएशन पे डिपेंड करता है, राइट? It depends. For example, can you come tomorrow? It depends. I will get back to you. I will get back to you. It means मैं तुम्हें बाद में बताऊंगी. For example, I will get back to you by evening. That makes sense. That makes sense. It means हाँ ये समझ आ रहा है. For example, oh okay, that makes sense. I didn't mean that. मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था. For example, sorry, I didn't mean that. Can you say that again? Can you say that again? It means क्या तुम दोबारा बोल सकते हो? Sorry, can you say that again? I am working on it. It means मैं उस पर काम कर रही हूँ. Don't worry, I am working on it. See, if you learn these 10 phrases, so really you feel confident because you speak English. Yes, इंग्लिश ऐसे ही आएगी. जितने भी सेंटेंस, जो भी आपके माइंड में चल रहा है, जितना भी आपको नॉलेज है, जो भी आपको इंग्लिश में वर्ड याद है, आप यूज़ करो. आप जस्ट बोलो. जस्ट स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. And why I am telling you these phrases? because I also learn all the phrases, so and practice. So here, see here, I am just practicing. So that's why right now I am making video with practicing. And see, if you really want to learn English, so you have to speak these phrases, you have to use this. Definitely you feel confident, definitely. And yes, try to speak loud and try to read if you really don't know some words and some vocabulary and sentence, if it's not come in your mind, so just read book and read aloud. If you really want to speak English and you want to feel confident but you don't know how to start and how to speak, so just remember one thing. If you really want to speak English, you just inculcate the habit of reading books and just read out loud and see the magic. It's happened with me, so that's why I'm sharing with you. My dear friend, really. And one day you will be able to speak English, and one day your English is awesome. See, मैं ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ. You know in English these phrases. You know about these phrases in English. And this is very important part, I think. And if you don't know grammar, so just learn a basic grammar, because I also don't know whole grammar. And I hate it, really. I just learn basic grammar, past, future, and present, and everyone's know about it. Everybody knows. Everybody knows. Do, did, was, were. Everybody knows. But they don't want to use. I don't know why. But you have to listen carefully. You have to use all these uh, sentences and make the sentences. You have to make the sentences with these helpful verb, past, future, present, and just start speaking. Don't think about it whether it is wrong or right. Just speak, just like me. Because you all guys are know about me that I am also beginner. So that's it. So keep learning and see you in the day 7. Okay, and follow me for this journey, my English journey. Keep learning, keep growing, keep improving. Bye bye.